last class, continuation of third chapter, subtraction of numbers. Subtraction, we taken away small number from the big number. Take away 84 from 184. That means we take away 84 from 184 means 184 minus 84. We take away 2-digit number from 3-digit number. 3-digit number is big number, 2-digit number is small number. Subtraction means big number minus small number. We get the answer. That answer is called difference. That answer is called difference. Minus is symbol for subtraction. Subtrahend, minute, difference. Big number, small number, difference. Okay? Number minus 0, same number. The value does not change. Number minus 1, before number of the given number, or 1 less than the number. Number subtract from itself, the difference is 0. In this chapter, already you learned subtraction of 3-digit numbers without grouping with regrouping. That means simple subtraction, borrowing subtraction. Simple subtraction and borrowing subtraction. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. Now I am going to revise with the regrouping of 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. 3-digit means hundreds, tens, ones. 4-digit means thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay children? First we are going to revise that. Next goes to word problems. In the word problems, 2 types are there. One is only using subtraction. Second one, we are going to using 2 steps. In some situation, we are going to using 2 steps. Those are, excuse me. One is subtraction or addition, and we using subtraction 2 times, or using addition and subtraction at a time, or subtraction and addition at a time, or using addition 2 times in some word problems. Okay Nana? Next we are going to revise subtraction of 3-digit numbers and subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay? Come on, let us see. 646 minus 384. 3-digit number, ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 6 minus 4, close fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 2. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Why 4 is less than 8? Then borrowing concept, one number moving from hundreds to tens, 4 becomes 14, 6 changes into 5. Now 14 minus 8. Close fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. Now hundreds, 5 minus 3, close fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 2. This is going to subtraction of 3-digit number with regrouping. Here using concept from hundreds to tens. Hundreds to tens. Another one. 730 minus 376. We subtract 376 from 713. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Start from ones. 3 minus 6. 3 is less than 6. Not possible. One number moving from tens to ones. 3 becomes 30. 1 changes into 0. Now 13 minus 6. Count. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7. 0 is less than 7. Subtraction is not possible. Again borrowing concept. One number moving from hundreds to tens. Then 0 becomes 10. 7 becomes 6. 10 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. 3. 6 minus 3. 3. Here using concept from tens to ones, hundreds to tens. 2 times here using. Here only hundreds to tens. time only. Here use in 2 times. Why? Upper number is less than lower number. Actually subtraction means big number minus small number. If small number is there, we are going to use the concept. One number, borrow one number from tens to ones, borrow one number from hundreds to tens. At a time you have to change the two numbers. Okay, another one. By practicing you get perfection. Okay, practice in rough notes or homework book. 800 minus 389. Okay, start from ones, tens, hundreds. Here ones and tens both having zeros. The number does not subtract from 0. 0 is less than number. Then the concept using from hundreds to tens, tens to ones. Start from here, borrowing concept. 0 becomes 10, 8 becomes 7. Next, continue the concept. The number moving from 10 to 0. Then 0 becomes 10, 10 becomes 9. First, you have to change the numbers like this. If zeros are there in the upper number. Okay, now clear? 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay, this is difference. Second number, first number. Actually 800 is more than 389. But in working, we have to use the concept of borrowing from hundreds to tens, tens to ones. Here using 2 times. Next, subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping means borrowing concept. 7,682 minus 3,246. Start from ones, next tens, next hundreds, last thousands. 2 minus 6 not possible. Why? 2 is less than 6. Borrowing, 2 becomes 12. 8 changes into 7. Now 12 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6. 7 minus 4. Close finger. 7 is big, 4 is small. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 3. Now 100. 6 minus 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 1000. 7 minus 3. Close fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. Here using concept only one time. Tens to ones. Tens to ones. Understood? Next one. Concept using from hundreds to tens and tens to ones. 2 times. 6,751 minus 2,478. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1 is less than 8. Using concept, one number moving from tens to ones. 1 becomes 11, 5 becomes 4. Okay, understood? Eleven minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. 4 is less than 7. Again concept, one number moving from hundreds to tens. 4 becomes 14, 7 becomes 6. Now 14 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7. Now 6 minus 4 possible. 5, 6, 2. 6 minus 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. The difference is 4,273. We using concept tens to ones, hundreds to tens, 2 times. One number moving from tens to ones. Then we have to change these 2 numbers. After that, again we using concept from hundreds to tens. Again we have to change Okay, now going to next one. Concept using from thousands to hundreds, hundreds to tens, tens to ones, 3 times. $8,435 minus $1,789. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Start from ones. 5 is less than 9. Subtraction is not possible. Borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. 5 becomes 15. 3 becomes 2. Are you clear about that? Now do counting. 15 minus 9. Close fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 15. 6 fingers. Now 2 is less than 8. Again using borrowing concept. One number moving from left to right. That means hundreds to tens. 2 becomes 12. 4 becomes 3. Now 12 minus 8. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. Write in the tens place. Now come to hundreds. 3 is less than 7. Again using borrowing concept. One number moving from thousands to hundreds. 3 becomes 13. 8 becomes 7. Now 13 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. Now 1000. 7 minus 1. 7 before 6. Are you understood the concept? Here using tens to ones, hundreds to tens, thousands to hundreds, 3 times. We are going to change ones number, tens number, hundreds number, thousands number. Okay? Borrowing subtraction. If zeros are there, how to do subtraction? $6,050 minus 2,876. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Start from ones. 0 is less than 6. Subtraction is not possible. Borrowing concept. Tens to ones. Then 0 becomes 10. 5 becomes 4. Okay? Are you clear? Now 10 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 4 minus 7 not possible. Borrowing concept. Here 0 is there. Then the concept starts from thousands to hundreds first. Then 0 becomes 10. 6 changes into 5. Again continue. One number borrow from hundreds to tens. 4, 14, 10 changes into 9. Now 14 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Understood the concept? If zeros are there, using concept from tens to ones. If tens number is smaller than this, again concept using from next place. In the next place also having 0, then concept start from thousands to hundreds, hundreds to tens. Okay? Another one. 8,000 minus 3,478. Ones 0, tens 0, hundreds 0. 0 is less than the lower number. Now the concept using from thousands to hundreds, hundreds to tens, tens to ones. See how the number is going to change. First, here all are zeros, no? 0 is less than number. Then using concept from thousands to hundreds first. Change these two numbers. 10, 7. Again continue. Change this 0. 10. This 10 becomes 9. Why? One number moving from 10 to 0. Again using continuation the concept. Then this 0 becomes 10. This 10 changes into 9. That means we get the number like this. Ones place having 10, tens place having 9, hundreds place having 9, thousands place having 7. Okay? Now 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay? This is going to subtraction of zeros. If zeros are there, using concept like this. Okay, now word problems with this 2 steps. That means addition and subtraction, or subtraction 2 times, or addition 2 times. Then previous class continuation. That is going to exercise 3D. Fifth one. Fourth one is completed. Exercise 3D. Page number 58. Page number 58. Fourth one is completed. Fifth one. Fifth one. This is going to textbook problem here. Fourth one is completed. 5 and 6 are there. I am going to write the fifth question. All of you listen. Come on children. Continuation of word problem with 2 steps. Okay? This is going to classwork part. Ready now? A bookshop had 9,450 books. That is going to total books in that shop. It sold 4,220 books in 1 month and 2,910 books in the next month. That means the shopkeeper sold books in 2 months. How many books are left in the shop? Okay, here we write the answer in 2 steps. First one goes to how many books are sold in the first month, and second month find the total books sold. Then go to how many books are left. First we are going to take number of sold books in the first month, number of books sold in the second month, find the total number of books sold. Then second step. Okay my dear children, first write the first step. Ready? Leave a line. Here we write the answer for this problem 2 steps. Take first one. Number of books sold in 1 month. How many books he sold? 4,220. Come on. Next. 2,910 books sold in the next month. Number of books, same words, sold in next month. That means second month. First we have to find out, yes, number of books sold. How many? 2,910. Now total books sold. That means total number of books sold. This is first step. Understood? This number goes to all the books in the shop. In that books, he sold in the first month 4,220. In the second month 2,910. Here find the books sold. Find the total number of books sold, first step. How do you get total? Addition. good. Put the symbol plus. Come on, check the words. Number of books sold in 1 month equal to 4,220. Number of books sold in next month 2,910. Next, total number of books sold. Do addition. 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 9, 11. 2 digit number. 1 right here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. How many books are sold in 2 months? 7,130. But answer is not completed. Continue. Second step. Now we are going to second step. In second step, we find left books. How many books are left in the shop? This is total books minus number of books sold. Okay, children? Can I write the question? I am going to continue. No? Here, ready now? Come on. Second step. Continuation of answer. You leave a line and write in your CW. This is going to first one. Next step. Second step. Total number of books. Total number of books. And already the shop having how many books? 9,450. Now how many books are sold? 7,130. Number of books sold in 2 months. 2 months. How many? This is 7,130. We get this answer by addition. Now, number of books. You also put 2 dots and underline. This is read as number of books left in the shop. Any books migil poyayi. This is going to second step. This is step 1. This is step 2. Continuation of answer. Okay? Now find left is subtraction word. Then here we doing subtraction. Minus 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. How many books are left in the shop? 2,320. In this word problem, we are going to take in 2 steps. First one, find the total number of books sold. Next, total number of books minus number of books sold. Then how many books are left in the shop? First step, second step. Using addition and subtraction. First answer we get by addition. Second answer we get by subtraction. Come on, go to next question. Ready now? Come on, my dear children. Next question. 9,500 people came to the fair in the morning. By the afternoon, 2,000 people were left. Left is subtraction word. By the evening, 1,600 people came. Again, some people joined to the fair. How many people were at the fair in the evening? Here, this is going to word problems of involving 2 steps. That means 2 times addition or addition and subtraction. Okay? Here we are going to using first subtraction, next addition. See why? Total people left. Left is subtraction word. First step, answer. Step 1. Here follow two steps. Step 1 goes to subtraction. See, total people at the fair. Total number of people at the fair. How many? This number 9,500. Okay. In that, by the afternoon, 2,000 people left. They are went off. Then number of people left. Number of people left in the afternoon. Number of people left in the afternoon. How many? 2,000. Write 2,000 below. Yes. Now remaining people. Number of remaining people. Remaining people. Still they are in the fair only. Here using subtraction. Put the symbol minus. Why? Left word goes to subtraction word. Come on, do the subtraction. 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. Still 7,500 people are at the fair. Okay? Total people are 9,500. By the afternoon, 2,000 people are went off. Then remaining people at the fair means 7,500. Here we are using subtraction in the first step. Now answer is going to continue second step. By the evening, 1,600 more people came. More is addition word. Again, some people are coming to the fair. How many people were at the fair in the evening? Evening ki enta mandi unnaru akkada. Okay? Go to second step. This is going to first step. Continuation of answer. I am going to rub the question. You continue, Nana, in the same page. Step 2. In step 2, see, take this remaining people. Number of remaining people at the fair. Number of remaining people. Still they are in the fair. Number of remaining people at the fair. How many? 7,500. Now, how many are came in the evening? 1,200. How many are came? Yes, sorry, 1,600. Number of people came to the fair in the evening. Came in the evening. How many? I will rub and write, Nana. Both the numbers are should be one below the other. First number is 7,500 remaining people. Again 1,600 people are came to the fair in the evening. Now total number of people the number of people. No need to total. Number of people in the evening. Number of people in the evening at the fair. In the evening at the fair. F-A-I-R. Here we using addition. Okay, come on, check the answer. Check it, Nana. Ready na? This is first step. Here number of people left in the afternoon. Afternoon 2000 people are went off. Number of people left are remaining 7500. This is going to second step. Number of remaining people 7500. Again 1600 people joined. That means they came in the evening. Total number of people in the evening. Write like that also, no problem. Okay? That is a short one. We follow that one only. Total number of people in the evening. This is going to afternoon, they went off. In the evening. Again they joined in the evening. Now find the total number of people in the fade. Get the fade. Now get the answer by addition. 0, 0. 5 plus 6 using addition. 5 fingers, 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2 digit number. 1 and 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Total people are in the evening 9100. Here we using subtraction and addition. We involving two steps. First step subtraction. Second step addition. You write the answer. This is first one. This is second one. Don't confuse. After this you continue this. Okay children. If I am writing here, you can't see 3 steps. That's why I am writing up. Okay? You continue. Step 1 and step 2 right below this. Step 2 right below these steps. Okay? Understood? Don't worry about these word problems. These are given in the textbook. That's why I am going to explain. No need to practice. Okay? You practice 3-digit number subtraction without borrowing, with borrowing, and 4-digit number subtraction without regrouping, with regrouping, and word problems using subtraction. Okay my dear children, and learn tables from 2 to 10. We are going to continue this chapter in the next class. Prepare well for objective type exams every Saturday. Thank you